Shut it down. Okay, this is yours, Will.
Yeah, maybe you can just give a play-by-play, because at the very end, I think it's like kind of cool.
I'll give you a play-by-play. You just told me go ahead.
I'll just read the title. This snow graffiti art is the most impressive thing I've seen all day from Reddit.
It looks to me, before you even click play, that we got some graffiti going on top of snow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That sets the stage. Here we go. Ooh.
Oh, it looks like...
Is it going on top of snow or is the graffiti?
Oh, it looks like it's on glass.
It is.
The spray paint is like spraying the snow-like substance.
Right. Oh.
Oh, my. Holy moly.
Holy moly. Mamma mia.
Oh. Whoa, that's nutty.
Holy moly, mamma mia.
This had like some twists and turns, this video.
Yeah. It actually twisted and turned. Yeah. While it was twisting and turning.
It was one of those big reveal
Oh, now
videos.
I can see the eye. Now that we have the close-up. Nice. He's just lining it out with this little tool that he has. Zooms out. You see this lion. His whole body standing on top of what, like...
Boom. Hits you with the twist. And it's a reflection.
Man, that's some Lion King stuff right
well,
there.
yeah, look, a king, it says on the left, a king isn't born, he is made. In other words, the cub turns into the lion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, believe, achieve, and succeed.
Yeah, he's not born the successful lion on the bottom. He's got to go make it.
Right.
You got it, Mo?
Mm-hmm.
This is some sort of a mural probably for a kid.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It's very cool. Shout out, David. I saw a comment from somebody on the West Coast. They're in a bit of a lag on this show, and they were talking about the air quality thing.
Uh-huh.
They were saying it's very important on the West Coast because of wildfires. So,
okay. Wow. Yeah, that makes sense.
Apparently, they can get some nasty air quality when the wildfires are going off.
Interesting. I never thought of it like that.
Shout out, legend. Yes, that's a very beautiful mural, Will. You nailed it. You completely surprised me. So it looks like the graffiti is a snow-like paint.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it has like a bit of a texture.
Exactly. I hope it all dries. I hope it sets. I wonder if he sprays something over top now so it sets and it can't crumble.
Yeah.
Because you got to protect that, Will.
Mm-hmm.
A couple different lions. And this is one that you really got to see.